Hip-hop didn't invent anything. Hip-hop reinvented everything.
When they talk about chilling in a b-boy stance and all of this, chilling like this, a b-boy stance is actually comes from the gods standing in a truth of square. Okay, let me just demonstrate for you real quick. A truth of square is when you just standing with your feet at a 45-degree angle and you standing right over left. The gods would be at the block parties, standing in a truth of square, and then the 85s would see this and just think it's a cool way to stand.